This is LMNT electrolytes. It is $1.50 per packet, like that, for just like salt, essentially. Is it really worth it? Today, we're gonna find out. Now, when you buy these packets, this is what you're getting. It is 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. So it's not just like salt, which is sodium chloride. It's got a mix of some other stuff. This is the raw unflavored version, which is my favorite flavor. I actually really like this. Is this expired? 10/20/25? We better take some more of this. And if you open it up here, you can see they're compact enough. You can fit this in your wallet. It's super easy to open up. It's like a one-time use packet. It's 1 gram of sodium, and there is the electrolytes. I think a lot of people have mentioned that you want convenience. This is the way to go. There's no artificial colors. They have been known to have stuff in it that, will higher than you're supposed to, which is not ideal. We don't want that. But I continue to take these because I like them, and it's just so easy to put them in my drink and take the packets around. I know it's not sustainable, but from I'm busy and I need something that I can quickly use point of view, this is helpful. It's good for athletes, heavy sweaters, keto, low carb diets, especially if you're not getting salt from like food. This is the way to go. When I feel like I need some sugars, I'll sometimes take some of this. We do have a link down in the description, which can get you a free sample set. So click that link to help support the channel. Sodium chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium malate, and then some natural flavors, as well as stevia leaf extract for flavoring, which I don't use that version. I like the raw unflavored because it has no extra stuff in it. You can see all the ingredients right over there. There's no stevia, no flavoring in the raw unflavored version. You get 30 packets per box. There's a 10 packet variety pack that you can get as well to try to see which flavor you actually like. The recommended serving is actually, I think, 1 or 2 grams per day. So you got to take into account the foods that you're eating, your diet that can impact that number. But if you're working out, you're sauning, like you might actually need a lot more salt. When I run, I'll take about 3 grams of sodium because I can lose a lot of salt during these longer workouts. So just keep that in mind. This does say taste salty, so maybe start with a half packet and work your way up from there. Keep it in a cool, dry place away from moisture, and it has a shelf life of about 2 years if it stays unopened. It is NSF certified for sport, meaning there's no banned substances. So if you are an athlete that competes and you don't want to have that, you know that you have that in here. They have transparency in their sourcing and manufacturing process. I know there's been some backlash recently, but just do your research before you buy this stuff because you never know. I think with supplements, most of the time we never know. So just be safe. Don't take supplements all the time. But I do have found this to be helpful. I think one people think is like, oh, I need to just take electrolytes. I'm going to feel more hydrated. Like that's only true if you're sweating a lot. So if you're working out, I'll take these when I work out, when I sauna. But if it's just like a regular day, I'm not going to take this. So just keep that in mind. There's a link down in the description. It's $45 for a single box with 30 packets. The variety pack is $18 to $20 for 10 packs. So it's about $1.50 to $2 per serving. So go try it out. And if you get the subscription, it'll be easier. So click that link, helps support the channel. Grab your element down below. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.